Welcome, in front of me is Google Pixel 10, and in this video I will show you how to hide apps on this phone. So in order to hide apps on your device, what you're gonna have to do is open the list of all applications and find the settings. Open settings, then go to security and privacy tab, then scroll down to private space, and now what you're gonna have to do is set up the private space for your device. And to do this, first delete, I'm gonna have to delete the private space that I have on my phone. Then verify that it's you. Once you enter in the private space, you can use your biometrics or use your password instead. So what you're gonna have to do is create a Google account for your space, set a lock, and install apps. And to do this, click setup, then wait a little while. Then create a Google account to hold your data private. Okay, and enter the email or phone number to your Google account. If you don't have an account, a separate account, click create account and begin creating a new account for your device. So right now let me enter the email for my other account, and then click next to proceed. Then enter the password to your account. And click next. Then select who will be using this device, either you or your child, and click next again. Agree to terms of service. Then let's choose a new lock for a private space. And now let's select a pattern and let's draw a pattern for our private space, then confirm it and click confirm. Okay, let's wait, then click done. And as you can see, to find your private space you have to go to your apps list and then scroll down. So here is the apps list, and if we scroll down we will access the private space. And in order to find applications here, we're gonna have to enter the right pattern. And let's put some application. Let's click install, and let's install some kind of application to make it private. So let's install this car scanner. Okay, and once this application is installed, you'll be able to find it in your private section. So you can lock this section, for example, and nobody will have access to it. But if you enter your pattern or password for it, you'll be able to access this private application. And that's how you make applications private on your Google Pixel 10. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.